Na fe omo achade a wode baaye no ode asi achiame so pepepepepepe said the amamre etie no timehu se gonja hempon Yagbonwura asoma ode bibi nam kwan so eba yera otumfo ho Asantehene kwa so gonja man enkwa so
to neniere kapandi wata ayo jira Yagbonwura bikunuto jewu sole ne ebulwo ne elarna enalere muka kulase wura ne asunguri folbi ne kake bangbongi jawai kalantune shimba filmun kindako imba hunu bajai kantanko karawon fu mulon fa yegamo ani shitubu ko yo ebala kaman monwota kabre etakake bangbongi abeta nyase muni pibi otumfo osetutu kabeso enyosopo Yagbonwura bikunuto jewu sole enyin fene enyin ewone eborta kasawula keke yegbon ki yegbon be kasawule kumunchu kamo kamana ensa kumuswa ke kamo waka komuto jewe Yagbonwura bikunuto jewu sole kabre abeta kake bongbong nyase muni pibi the king of Gonja Yagbonwura bikunuto jewu sole has sent a delegation to say a big thank you for his darling brother and bosom friend for the grace presents given to him as his welcome. He is also sending a token to show the power of the kingdom of Gonja.
Otumfo Achame, my overlord, my uncle, has sent me to present a few gifts, token gifts, to express the overflowing joy that he has had for this reception given by Nana Otumfo.
Adawumebru Yagbonwura osuma se umfa achadie emro enhemukina se enigye a nani age emra wabahase no tinema kakra ode brewnu.
The gifts are preceded by a calabash of kola nuts, 2 bowls, hand-woven cloth, a box of schnapps, and an undisclosed sum for the chiefs. The last present, which they should bring forward, is a very special present that we want to give to Nana. As Nana sees me standing here, he's probably wondering what I am doing here. But tradition has met me. And this elephant tusk, as you see from my walking stick, is from Benepe. That is the house of Yagbonwura himself, his sister's house. So we are all, from my family, the wafasi of any Yagbonwura who comes. They come to meet us. But this tusk is a symbol of our tusk, which we don't normally give to anybody because it is a heritage for us. But because of this very special occasion, we have been asked to present it to you as a token of the love that we want to share in building our 2 nations and the friendship that will continue. Thank you very much, Nana Otumfo.
Roma, so achadie besen a wokra mu tade ne nema bebre nemom de osi sudua ade a eyebo mu ade omo kase heritage fititia beka ene a omo fama obia wonkoa na sade omo ede ebrewo ɔse obia ɔbabe Yagbonwura no fa ase no abibia osi no so wonim no pa so zia wonim no no se ade ɔde ebre we de na Yagbonwura se ade soronko bi nko ba bia
to re-emphasize a few points in his own voice today. He wants to acknowledge the significant contribution that Nana Otumfuo makes to the stability of the nation. And he wants to give great thanks and encourage him to lead all of them in promoting that peace and stability.
Otumfuo daroma oso de onwa Yagbonwura nenu asem ose nukure ni Ghana ha obepie ndie Nyankopon ena do beche Ghana man se asumdwe a wo boa e ma ne ba Ghana ase no eyesono nkokora nti waduru ha na o se wotimi dawase se ade a woye ma Ghana ama Ghana etimi aka bomu a yenti atinka boni bia e wa ase no
and he can be assured of the continued support of the Jakpa Palace, because the negotiations for peace for Dagbon met 3 Yagbonwuras. Yagbonwura Doshi was my own grandfather, and Yagbonwura Boresa before the current Yagbonwura. But what is started in the house continues in the house, irrespective of who comes. And that is the relationship we want to share with Nana.
So Bibigran said Dabon and some by Manson Bahono. One Yagbonwura, me and San Wanokawa, me and San Abatosui. Would dear Nimu do Munim, Mutimika, Ama Asumji, Aba Dabono. Was a sa Chakane Damontamono, Bompaye, when you said, one opens or opens, but Pacoso.
Also, the Yagbonwura wants to re-emphasize that when we claim that there's a fraternal relationship between Asantehene and Gonja, it is not just words. There is historical evidence of the origins of Asante from the Intafwo, who we later came to meet, and we also, through the Mande clan, formed Gonja with them. So we all came from the same root, and we want to continue that relationship. And the Yagbonwura wishes to state that no matter how sweet things feel in the mouth, sometimes the tongue and the teeth collide, and there's some bitter pain. But that pain has gone. The new era is one of collaboration. And even though we know the significant horrors of the slave trade that ensued, we are very pleased that both Nana Otumfuo and Yagbonwura will continue to support the president, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, in seeking reparations, not just in material terms, but in the restoration of dignity to our kinfolk who are out in the diaspora.
Tumfo wase nukreni se jakanda yantamono se odika aka no se efritete no wase nokure se katremawe ene esen kura etimeko ye maye nwene de si tete no nemum enne jakanda yantamono ene yanhwe ne ntoaso enye kama no se de Ghana mampanyini okun ama bibiri mfuo nyina nam sankwa nkwasom na kobaye nipa ya dikoye no mpata a ose eba enye mpata se sika nko a nemu ade a ade anim onyam ebebre yen no ene wadaroma so nyina ya nta mampanyina chi ne enye se de be ya saade no yensa beka.
Lastly, we want to also express deep appreciation for Nana's support for Yagbonwura's own son, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. We want to continue that relationship and know that his support will continue for him to have a successful presidency.
Tumfuo daroma ose ane Nana Ye Ghana Mampenny, John Dramani Mahama. One Cassa, Obano, or say, Adao Mebru, Tokoso, Natanachi, na Nimre, where Ghana Mampenino, and Nema, and Yakama, Emma Ghana.
And we know that in the wisdom that Nana has given him, he himself has said there wouldn't be a third term. But apart from all of that, I think we all know that Nkrumah was a Guan. Buzia had Guan roots. I believe even Kufuor may have Guan roots. And JJ had Guan roots. And now we have Atamils who also had Guan roots. And also John Mahama who had Guan roots. So we think that we have had enough. We want to share.
To Boda Romo, say, I dear Bakon, Guano, we have Ghana and one and Nemua, a basic Ghana Mampenny, John Mahamasono. Was say, Utunfua Uti. Sir, and dear, a big cat, so Bessako and Pre Mensansono, and Yadia Boko, or Tunfu may be and one of the year, into Mobiati, as you say, Sardin, and Yadia, Ebaso.
So, thank you very much.
So, or does it be?